It's now snowing and our dog is going mental.
Yeah.
She loves snow, so let's have
She's
some
obsessed
playtime.
with it. It's her favorite thing in the whole world.
We have a huge yard here, so we're gonna play with her.
Ja, Kira, vent.
Hope you'll enjoy!
Leggen på resten leggen.
She's struggling to find the red toy. Oh, she found it! She found it!
Man kan filme det.
Yes.
Oi!
No! You have no problem.
Ekran.
Ja.
Nei!
Vi tar alltid samme vei opp.
Monica, kom blij af.
She threw it in the yard,
In the neighbor's yard.
in the neighbor's yard.
Oh shit.
It's right there. Okay,
But now
toy
there's
secured.
footsteps.
Making a space for my phone. Hopefully it can be here. Wait. Oh, snow. Kira, pas dich.
Kira! it took a lot of work, like
Yes.
a lot. My fingers are so cold, even when I had like
Gloves.
Yeah, gloves.
But this is how
Winter
it
gloves.
looks like.
Yeah, it took so long, and if you guys watched through the whole like sped up part, when Veronica was gonna sit on it the first time, it fell apart. And we fell, and we laughed so hard. But it was so funny. But I'm glad it's a good share.
Yes. If y'all enjoyed the video, if
And-
you did, then give it a big thumbs up.
And make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bells so you never miss a brand new video.
And happy holidays, everyone.
Yes.
Goodbye.